Hey, this is my bike check, and this is my bike. Alright, well, this is my Alienation black sheep rim in blue, not teal, blue, with the animal white wall, ton white wall, 2.20 with a mission front hub, and Eastern forks, cause I bent the shit out of my old forks. So these were $9. They're actually really solid. I actually ride pretty hard, and they're actually doing pretty good in maintaining straight balance, whatever. Oh, and the rim strip inside of it is an Odyssey rim strip. So yeah, mission hub, black sheep rim, ton white wall, Eastern forks. My shadow top load. I forgot what top load is called, but it has the two designs on it, so just look it up on Dance with the two designs. I don't remember, I don't care. Got it for $30, so yeah, pretty much brand new, $30. Okay. Oh, my Odyssey double space bars. They're pretty big. I like them. Especially I like what the top load gives a little bit of rise. It's an 8.65 rise, 28 wide, and yeah. Alright, so my headset. It has a synth cap, but the bearings inside, the top bearing, this top bearing right here, is actually mankind sealed bearing, and the one in the bottom is empire bearing in the bottom, sealed bearing. So synth cap, mankind bearing, and then empire bearing. Alright, and my C is mechnick C, whatever. I just figured out the name like 2 days ago about this company, mechnick. Yeah, I pretty much ripped this whole seat up. I had it for a couple months. Yeah. This is my animal baboa sprocket. It was gold, but I paint stripped it, so goldish, grayish. Yeah, I don't care. With shadow half link, it was orange. The reason it was orange because it matched this, my profile C clamp. But I paint stripped it, so it's silver. And yes, it is upside down though. The chain is up backwards and everything, because the person who put it on did it wrong. But whatever, it's been riding fine, so I don't care. And Odyssey pedals, yeah. Premium cranks, got them off a friend for free, because he decided to throw my bike off a huge staircase, and it bent the shit out of my older cranks, so he gave these for free. Same back rim as the front, Alienation black sheep with the ton white wall. But this one's just a stock hub because I broke my mission hub. So yeah, I might get it fixed though, my mission hub, but I don't know yet. And I have no clue what kind of bottom brackets I have. I got them off a friend, whatever. And my seat post, I have no clue. ODI long neck grips, and they're okay, I guess. I don't really like it, but oh well. Fit bar ends, just got them today. I recommend don't get the ODI bar ends. You know why? Cause my ODI bar ends is right in here. Yeah, I got these sparks for Christmas, and I already got ODI bar ends right in here. Cause you know how they do. They just break really easy. Oh yeah, my frame. It's a We the People Trust 2010 21. It's actually pretty solid. It's actually chromatic too. 4130, whatever chromatic. I love it. It's light. Yeah. I guess you want to hear my back hub. It's not loud because it's stock, so. And that's basically it. That's my bike. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Questions that need addressing, like how we fresh in the adolescence and wrecking them. Hand them tracks, he destined to make a mess of them. Snapping necks and records in matter of seconds. Check him, son. Lost in erection and found